Welcome to Reviews Inside TV. Today we're looking at the Dirt Devil Vibe 3-in-1 Stick Vacuum Cleaner. This lightweight, versatile vacuum promises to tackle tough messes in a snap, whether you're cleaning floors or going for quick touch-ups around the house. Let's break down how well this vacuum actually performs, its features, and whether it's worth your time and money. The Dirt Devil Vibe stands out with its 3-in-1 design, meaning it's not just a stick vacuum. It can easily convert into a handheld vacuum as well. This gives you the flexibility to clean floors, furniture, and even tight spaces like shelves or your car interior. With its lightweight build and a 15-foot cord, it's designed for quick, efficient cleaning. But how does it handle the messes we deal with daily? Let's find out. First up, the vacuum's suction performance. The Vibe offers a solid amount of suction for its price range, and that's what matters when cleaning carpets, rugs, or hard floors. It's effective on surfaces like hardwood and tiles, quickly picking up dust, crumbs, and small debris. However, if you're looking for a heavy-duty machine to pull up embedded dirt or pet hair from deep-pile carpets, this might not be the powerhouse you need. It's better suited for light to medium-duty cleaning. Filtration is another important aspect, especially for those with allergies. The Vibe uses a basic filtration system that helps with standard dust and debris. However, it doesn't offer advanced filtration like HEPA, which means it might not be the best choice for allergy sufferers looking to trap every tiny particle in the air. But for general household use, it gets the job done for most people. One of the key features of the Vibe is its easy empty dirt cup. It's a one-touch system, so you don't have to deal with messy bags or complicated cleanup. When the cup fills up, simply press the button, and it's emptied without much fuss. The capacity is decent, though you might find yourself emptying it more often on larger cleaning sessions. The scatter guard feature is a nice touch here, ensuring that dirt doesn't get flung back out during use. When it comes to the hand vacuum mode, the Dirt Devil Vibe really shines. It converts easily from a stick vacuum into a handheld unit, which is great for smaller messes or cleaning furniture. Whether it's a few crumbs on the couch or dust on countertops, the hand vacuum is quick to handle those tasks. Plus, it's great for reaching higher places like shelves or even cleaning in between car seats. The lightweight design makes it easy to hold and maneuver. In terms of overall comfort and ease of use, the Vibe is definitely user-friendly. The lightweight build means you won't tire out quickly while cleaning, and the 15-foot cord gives you decent reach without constantly needing to plug and unplug. It's not the longest cord in the world, but for most smaller rooms, it's more than enough. The on-off brush roll feature is another standout. You can switch it off when cleaning hard floors to avoid pushing debris around. Now, let's talk noise. The Vibe isn't the quietest vacuum out there, but it's not too loud either. It's in line with most stick vacuums in this price range. A little noisy, but not unbearable. If you're sensitive to sound, you might find it a bit distracting, but it's not disruptive enough to be a deal breaker. As for attachments, the Vibe comes with a few versatile tools that help with specific cleaning tasks. You get a crevice tool, which is perfect for those hard-to-reach areas, and a dusting brush for delicate surfaces. These attachments help you tackle a variety of cleaning jobs around the home, though there's no dedicated pet hair tool, so if you have furry friends, that's something to keep in mind. Let's address the pros and cons. On the plus side, the Dirt Devil Vibe is incredibly lightweight and easy to use. It's perfect for quick cleanups and handling everyday messes. The 3-in-1 design gives you flexibility, and the easy empty dirt cup makes maintenance hassle-free. The hand vacuum mode is a real bonus for cleaning furniture and smaller spaces, and the 15-foot cord offers decent reach. However, on the flip side, it doesn't have the strongest suction, especially for deeper cleaning on carpets or larger debris. Its filtration is basic, so it's not the best option for allergy sufferers. Also, if you have a large home or require a vacuum for heavy-duty cleaning, this might not be the best choice for you. When it comes to value for money, the Dirt Devil Vibe is a solid choice in its price range. It's affordable and offers good performance for basic cleaning tasks. While it won't replace a full-size, high-powered vacuum, it's a great option for those looking for something light, versatile, and easy to store. If you're in the market for something more powerful or specialized for pet hair, you might want to look at other models. But for small apartments, homes with hard floors, or quick everyday cleanups, the Vibe holds its ground. Comparing the Dirt Devil Vibe to other vacuums in the same category, it stacks up fairly well against similar stick vacuums like the Black & Decker Power Series Extreme or the Bissell Featherweight stick vacuum. Both alternatives offer similar suction power and cord lengths, but the Dirt Devil edges out slightly with its hand vacuum conversion feature, which is not available in the other models. That said, the Black & Decker model may have a more robust filtration system, which could be a deciding factor for allergy sufferers. When it comes to build quality, the Dirt Devil Vibe is well constructed for the price. The plastics feel durable, and the vacuum doesn't feel flimsy. The brush roll is effective, though it's important to regularly clean it if you're dealing with hair or fibers, as they can get tangled. Overall, maintenance is simple and straightforward, no complicated steps to follow. In terms of customer support, Dirt Devil has a reputation for offering decent service, though keep in mind that issues like battery degradation or motor performance are typically more common with lower-end models. The warranty and after-sales service are standard, so you can rest assured that if something goes wrong within the coverage period, you'll likely receive assistance. Finally, the Dirt Devil Vibe is a practical and affordable vacuum for many households. It works well for those needing a quick, everyday cleaner for smaller homes or apartments. Its easy-to-use design, lightweight build, and versatile attachments make it a great all-around option for basic cleaning tasks. If you're looking for a vacuum to tackle deep pile carpets or heavy-duty debris, you might want to consider a higher-powered option. But for quick, everyday messes, the Vibe gets the job done. Thanks for watching today's review. If you're interested in the Dirt Devil Vibe 3-in-1 stick vacuum, you can find the link in the comments box below. Feel free to share your experiences or ask any questions you might have. Goodbye till next time. And remember, messes don't stand a chance with Reviews Inside TV.